Hi, I'm Justin, a product expert at Bosch Power Tools North America, and this is the new Bosch GLA18VH-7500N hybrid area light. We've heard from workers that their lighting solutions are not bright enough, it's a pain to mount or aim the light, and they are tired of lights dying mid-task because there's no feedback on runtime. This is why Bosch created the new GLA18VH-7500N hybrid 18-volt area light. Here's what makes it stand out. Bosch is leading the category with the blazing 7500 lumens, highest in its class, offering 3 brightness levels, giving you flexibility to manage light and runtime. The new hybrid area light works on Bosch's 18-volt battery system or standard 120-volt AC, giving you seamless performance on and off the grid. We've taken away the guesswork by adding battery status, brightness indicators, and illumination mode settings. Plus, you can toggle between 360 degrees, 180 degrees left, or 180 degrees right to light exactly where needed. With an integrated 5/8" tripod mount, non-threaded tripod hull, and self-centering metal hook, it gives you unmatched versatility across the job site. And it's compact, weighing only 9.3 pounds, making it easy to transport and easy to deploy. More light, smarter controls, and better power flexibility. That's the Bosch GLA18VH-7500N hybrid area light. Learn more at BoschTools.com.